This video shows gravity. The block falling proves gravity because the reason why the block slides down in the first place is because the gravity from the center of the earth is pulling it down at a rate of 9.8 meters per second.
Quinn throwing the ball to Amelia shows fluid friction, which is the easiest to overcome. The block goes from Quinn's hands to Amelia's through air, which is a gas.
This video of me sliding down the slide proves both sliding and static friction because when I start sliding, that is two objects rubbing together, but once I stop, the friction holds me in place, which becomes static.
The video of me playing wall ball shows Newton's third law because the action is me throwing a ball, and when I throw it against the wall, it comes back as the reaction.
Swinging shows potential and kinetic energy because at the top before you go down is where there's the most potential energy, which is stored, and once you swing down, it turns into kinetic energy.
Rolling the tape on the ground shows rolling friction. We know the tape is moving because of the wall of lockers behind the tape, which is known as our frame of reference. Pushing this bag of coffee next to a penny shows Newton's second law. The coffee bag has more mass than the penny does, therefore the penny will accelerate faster than the heavier bag. Sliding this bag on the floor into the footrest shows Newton's first law. It shows Newton's first law because as I push the bag, it stays in motion until it runs into the footrest where it stops. This video of Lulu going after the squirrel toy shows acceleration. In the beginning, Lulu and the toy were stationary, but once Jack threw the toy, they both accelerated. But Lulu was running so fast, she ran past the toy and she had to change her velocity to go back to get it. This video of me and my grandma pushing on this coffee bag shows a balanced force at first because we were pushing at the same rate of force, but then she pushes harder so it moves towards me.